Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you. And I've got the Bijou box, and this is the mini version. Bijou box is celebrating 1 year since their release of their seasonal larger subscription box. I've unboxed one on my channel, and if you're interested in taking a look, then I'll pop that down in my description. But they've recently brought out a mini version, and this is a monthly subscription box. It features 4 full-size or deluxe size beauty products, and they all focus on beauty, lifestyle and self-care in order to help you create some me time. All the products inside the Bijou boxes are cruelty-free and vegan. This Bijou box mini starts from £23 a month, and if you're interested in a one-off box, then you're able to purchase for £27, and that includes shipping. They also have an offer on at the moment which will entitle you to receive your first Bijou mini box half price if you take out a 3-month subscription, and the code is half price. All links and everything related to this box and also the full-size seasonal Bijou subscription box you'll find down below in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. So thank you to the Bijou box for sending this out to me to have a look. So let's get on to opening it up and see what's inside. Inside you'll find a leaflet here, and it tells you everything about the product so I can refer to it as we go along. The theme for their October box is Twilight Nights, and I forgot to say as well, if you're interested in this box for yourself, you have until the 20th of the month to receive that month's box. Everyone knows that a good night's sleep can really make or break how we feel the next day. We know what we should do to try and relax ourselves for bedtime, but if you are anything like me, I tend to fall into a TikTok rabbit hole when it's bedtime. To try and help us all get the sleep we deserve, we've created the Twilight Nights Bijou box mini, packed with products designed to help you relax and send you to the land of Nod. Louise, the Bijou box founder. Sneak peek there. This looks really pretty. This is a multivitamin sleeping mask by Vitamasks, and there's 65 mils here. It says made with multivitamins, multi-molecular hyaluronic acid and jelly capsules. Can you see the little beads inside? That's really pretty. A nourishing and hydrating, non-wash-off sleeping mask made with essential vitamins and multi-molecular hyaluronic acid, features jelly capsules that absorb shortly after application and support your skin with a much-needed vitamin boost, leading to a more nourished, hydrated and healthy skin. Oh, typical. I wanted to get a bead. Oh, I want to get a bead. Oh, there. Look, I got 2 beads. They just melted away or burst away. Smells nice, smells really nice and fresh and fruity. So that's the first item in the box. Next up we got Feather and Down. This is Sweet Dreams pillow spray with calming lavender and chamomile essential oils, and there's 100 mils here. I have tried this before and this is lovely. I do really like sleep sprays. Oh, this has won a Beauty Awards 2017, and it's the winner, the OK winner. Bit of spray. It's a really nice spray. It is really, really nice. Yeah, I prefer that to, say, This Works. I do like This Works. I've had them in lots of different subscription boxes, but yeah, this one has got a really, really nice scent. I prefer this one. What can I tell you about it? Get ready to welcome a sense of calm and tranquility into your nighttime routine. Just spray some of this dreamy spray onto your pillow and let the lavender and chamomile relax you into a peaceful night's sleep. So there's that. Next we've got a product by Luna. This is Luna Glow Night Elixir Serum, and we've got 30 mils here. Midnight makeovers now happen while you're asleep. Wake up to beautiful younger looking skin with Luna Glow Night Elixir. So it looks like there. Try a little bit on my hand. No scent. No scent. It feels really nice. It goes on to tell you what I just read off the back, but it also says it helps to rejuvenate, moisturize and stimulate cell renewal, as well as reduce redness and hyperpigmentation, which is great, which is really great. I have both of those, redness and hyperpigmentation. So there's that. And then lastly, we got a product by Blossom and Blossom, and this is Pajama Rama Dry Body Oil, and we've got 50 mils here. It's a spray. Oh, it does come out quite a squirt. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Yeah, that's lovely. I put quite a bit in my hand, so I'm just trying to get it on my arm. It feels really nice. it does feel really nice. It's not sticky or tacky. So what exactly is body oil? Well, it's the difference between hitting the hay now or waiting precious minutes for your moisturizer to sink in later. And with frankincense as its secret ingredient, this blend not only absorbs quickly but also calms your skin and mind too. So those are the 4 full-size products inside this month's Bijou Box Mini. I'll just go through them all, doing a bit of a recap. So we've got a Lunar Night Elixir Serum, we've got a Feather and Down Pillow Spray, we've got a Vitamask Multivitamin Sleeping Mask, and lastly we've got a Blossom and Blossom Dry Body Oil. There's no prices on the leaflet, but they have said that all the products add up to over what you'd pay for the box. So yeah, so next month's sneak peek then. So we've got a Phase Zero Powder Highlighter in Shifting Sands. So everyone will receive one of those in the box next month. So I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this subscription? Do you subscribe to the Bijou box, the seasonal box, or do you subscribe to the mini version? I'd love to hear what you think of it. If you do subscribe, what previous boxes have been like, etc. Or are you watching this for the first time wondering if this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.